NADCP FMD 5th round vaccination camps Thirumangalam division Madurai districts start from 10/6/2024. First camp inaugurated by Joint Director of Animal Husbandry Madurai at Chakkanurani Veedi area. There are 8 blocks in Thirumangalam division and around 1,15,000 cattle going to be vaccinated from 10/6/2024 to 1/7/2024. Teams are formed in each block. One team consists of one veterinary assistant surgeon, one livestock inspector and animal husbandry assistant. In Thirumangalam division, there is no FMD outbreaks or incidents in last 3 years due to continuous vaccination under the National Animal Disease Control Programme. FMD vaccination details are documented in the Bharat Pasudan app. Due to continuous vaccination, there is no FMD outbreak or incident in Thirumangalam division, which lead to increase in milk production and also increase in cattle population. Thank you for watching this video.